Dear Lunette and I were embracing on the upstairs chaise, when the hot impassioned nips, sparking all along our lips, shot out and set the room ablaze. In a flash I made the call, and soon I heard the sirens squall, with pumpers racing to the scene. The fire chief with grandeur came, a maestro of the flame, and then the trucks came rolling in. We were two lambs preparing for the slaughter. The firemen came running on with water. They danced a circle along the lot, then up their nozzles shot the firefighters of design. How we wiggled, how we kicked, as the flames around us licked. The smoke was growing thick and dense, so we huddled hopelessly in our little fiery sea, and that was when we lost all sense. We were saved, I don't know how, as we revived. The fire chief bowed and told us it would be all right. The firemen danced around their net, a sight we'll not forget, and the building burned on out of sight. We were two lambs preparing for the slaughter. The firemen came running on with water. They danced a circle along the lot, then up their nozzles shot the firefighters of design. How often I aspire to set the world afire, but now at last I understand. The passions I had got, I allowed to get too hot, and that's when things got out of hand. We were two lambs preparing for the